on such a big level. It allows you to help yourself. But if you are really stuck with, as I said, big things that haven't moved, like you have back pain for the last 10 years, financial issues for the last 20 years, you can't conceive, all of these are curses, contracts, negative energies, which then you would need to learn. So on that level, basically, we encourage people to learn level 1 and 2 because that becomes a complete toolkit. So like basically, say in your medicine chest, you have a crocin, you have bandage, you have Vicks, you have let's say balm for this. So this is basically a whole toolkit that you would have in your medicine chest. Otherwise, with level 1, you just have a bandage and a crocin. So these add more things to your awareness. We really encourage people to learn level 1, and level 2 is basically everyone's journey. So we actually set up only level 1 class, and everybody then, whoever wants to learn, will say, can you do the class, can you do the class? And that's how our classes are actually formed. From level 1 is the only announcement that we have.
So basically, with level 1, we teach you the miracle method in level 1 itself. So with that, you can do anything and everything. But what happens is, when there is negativity, it blocks healing. So that's why we encourage students to learn both the levels. However, with level 1 also, like whatever I'm doing now, this demo is with level 1 information only.
So what we're going to do is, has everyone put in their requests in this? So we've actually never done this before, and so it's like going to be a test for us, right, Cheryl? Yes. we are basically, did you ask her what her level is? 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay.
So Megha, I worked on you 5 minutes for energy to integrate.
So we'll
okay, sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is, we're going to work on whatever issue you all have put in the chat box as a group. So not that, I mean, who knows? I don't know what the universe provides us. So you might have a full healing. You might have a percentage of healing, or you may have no this. So we're just going to take, let's say, 2-3 minutes to basically work on this. So have everybody put it?
Put whatever your wishes. So we will
basically, so you can actually see the difference.
Yeah.
If you put anything else, then
it's your luck.
I don't know how it's going to turn out. You never know. Universe is kind to all of us. Fact that you all are here, it's kind to us. So does anybody want any more information on any of this?
Yeah, any questions?
Any questions in the meantime, while you all are putting your this, you all can unmute yourself and basically talk. Or you can send it into the chat line.
What is the extension in the other levels?
So we have level 3.
Can I?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So after that, 1 and 2 is for everybody. After that, the journey is for those who want to dig in deeper or take miracle method. Usually by learning level 1 and 2, people start taking paid sessions as well. And as fast as like your practice of 2-3 days, because all you have to see is few miracles, and then you feel confident with the modality. But then level 3 is like for going in with more deeper knowledge. The miracle method remains the same, but we give you additional information and we give you a roadmap to deal. So level 3 is labeled as, the course name is Health Series, and we teach you how to address bigger labels like diabetes, or even if you have a cancer client or somebody like that, then how to deal with those cases. So we give you additional 40 more charts in that, and we give you a straight roadmap to address that. So that is Health Series. So by saying that, what a level 1 would do in 10 sessions for the bigger label, a level 3 would do it in 4 to 5 sessions. That is the difference. Then level 4 is called intensive skills, where actually miracle method becomes 10 times more powerful than what you know. And I teach you block clearing, how to do a block clearing. That is level 4. And level 5 is called the Dissection of Miracles. The course name is Dissection of Miracles. The life becomes very easy there. And I teach you a circuit method. Like, you know, you have a circuit, electric circuit in your house. And when it is faulty, then your gadgets start creating issues. So in level 5, I teach you the circuit of the mind. So you find the entire circuit of an issue and clear it. That's level 5 dissection of miracles. So these are the levels.
Like in theta healing, I have learned like digging on the particular belief systems and then working on the belief systems, and also
Yes.
it's something like that. And
No,
also
so
like in
basically, yeah,
in
even I've
psychic
done,
surgery we have learned about this this surgery,
yes,
like without any instrument
yeah,
or
yeah, yeah.
something like that we have learned in psychic surgery also.
Yes. So basically, even I have learned theta healing, and so these are like, you know, meditative processes. So the validation part is what I found was not there in the meditative processes like psychic surgery. Even Reiki healer can do a psychic surgery. So these things, the validation part is not there, and the way to, like, you know, suppose for instance you have blocks to money. So it's such a general term. But if I tell you, hey, you are blocked by 90%. Your money, you have blocks to money by 90%, then it is substantial. But if I tell you, hey, you have blocks to money only by 10%, then that everybody can have. So when we created Miracle Method, we made it like with validation. So even after clearance, you can validate in theta, in not only theta, in any meditative process. It's like, you know, is it cleared? Because did you reach the theta state? If you are too stressed in your life, which most of the people are you able to achieve that meditative state, and then command in that state? So with our method, even when you are in the deepest, excuse my French, shit of your life, you can still work with this, because it's just a process that you have to do. Like if you are tense, you can still write a statement. But if I tell you, if you're too tense, and if I tell you that calm your mind and then do some visualization stuff, then sometimes it really becomes difficult. So that
True.
was the reason why Miracle Method was created. Because actually, you know, with meditative process like this, Brinda, she's very intuitive and clairvoyant. But with me, when I learned theta healing, मेरा तो TV on ही नहीं होता था. Like visualization was practical. Then I struggled with these. So I thought, like, you know, what about common man? Not everybody is Brinda. Like there are very few people who are like Brinda. She's very clairvoyant, intuitive. So these modalities, the meditative processes, I thought they were not my cup of tea, because I'm very logical mind, and I could not achieve, like, not that I did not see miracles with theta healing, but it was like if you ask me to repeat that, I could not. It's like हो गया, कैसे हुआ मालूम नहीं, वापस से कर दो, cannot do. Like I really saw amazing miracles with theta, but I could not repeat them consistently. So that's where these points we covered in our healing methods.
Thank you.
Do we drain out our energies if you're healing somebody else?
No. So again, in many modalities, you enter into a person's energy field. So there is, like, you know, an exchange. But with this, it's not like that. It's like, you know, you are working with a set of charts and a pendulum. So it's like a higher self to higher self. So you don't feel drained at all. It doesn't affect you.
Question before we start with our demo?
Yeah, can I ask a question? I'm Shalini here.
Hi, Shalini.
Yeah, so hi. So I am a doctor myself. I'm a homeopathic physician, and I'm also into a lot of meditative practices. So I've done my bit of Reiki and, you know, access bar consciousness and other things. But yours is very interesting. Like, this is something I missed you last time. I had logged in, but unfortunately I couldn't complete the session. So what I'm wanting to know is that when you talk about this chart and the pendulum, is that the only instrument we need?
Yes.
I mean, that's all we need.
Yeah.
Right? And through your course, we will learn how to use that, is what you're
Yes,
telling us.
15 minutes we will teach you Miracle Method. But we have kept the course for the whole day, because we
Right.
make you champions. By the end of the day, you are confident how to work on yourself, and on others. So it's like more
And
of a
so we would,
practical.
yeah, so we would need to see the other person like on a screen like this to heal them?
No,
No, we
all
just
you
need
need
to
is
think
their
about it.
name. All you need is their name. A lot of people did not open their video. So we
Right,
just
right.
took their
Oh, that I,
name. Not even, we
right,
didn't even
right.
ask their second name.
Okay. Okay, great.
So,
I think it's all the best. It's lovely, wonderful.
Thank you.
okay, I have a question, Brenda and Charu. I did read your bio and what you've done, and in terms of you've done Reiki, you've done,
Yeah.
Brenda's done SRT. So is this a combination of all the modalities that you've learned, or this is your own unique combination that you've come up with? You
So
know,
it's both, because of course, we had so much information, so we use that we had
Okay.
learned, but the idea is unique. So it's both.
Okay. And just last question. So this is operating from the mind, or we're specifically looking at it from an emotion, heart-based, from, from an energy level? Because see, if we're talking about limiting beliefs, it's very mind-based, because you're working with the subconscious mind, right? So when we are using the BNC method, as I may say so, are we operating from the heart? Because I'm more heart driven. I'll be very honest with you. There are a lot of mind experts out there in the market. I don't want to get into that competition. I want to be there with the objective really of wanting to help change one soul at a time. That's my perspective.
So yeah, so
Yeah,
your
so please.
answer to your question is any healing modality, whether it is Reiki, Theta healing, matrix energetics, spiritual response therapy, BNC miracle method, hypnotherapy, blah 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 blah, they all work on the mind. Each and every therapy works on the mind. So of course you are working on the mind. But if you are a heart driven person, which is very good, each healer should be driven from their heart, because that's where the passion comes in. So, so if you do your healing with passion, then it's like, how beautiful it sounds itself, it's giving me goosebumps. So it has to be done from the heart, but you work on the mind.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, ma'am, this is Mansi here. I just want to ask, basically, every time we need to have the instrument like pendulum and whatever the charts you will give. Like we have to be, the charts and everything should be with us whenever we are healing someone.
Yes.
Because it's a distance healing again. So if like I'm out somewhere and if I have a sudden case, and I want to heal someone, then
Yeah,
I
we
need to
teach you
have the
how
chart?
to use just the spin of the pendulum as well.
Sorry?
We teach you how to use the spin of the pendulum to heal as well.
Yes. So basically, the full session cannot be done without the chart. But if you are outside somewhere, then we do teach you the shortcuts as well. But you do need the pendulum. But even if you don't have the pendulum, then also we teach you some more shortcuts.
Okay, thank you. And
So
how
that
many days
will all be
practice
taught in the
actually we
first
need
level?
for?
Yeah.
Yes.
Everything in first level. Miracle method fully taught in level 1.
Your voice is breaking, crashing.
In level 2,
How
if you are
many?
getting confused, level 2, you use the miracle method, but we teach you how to deal with all forms of negativity. First, how to detect them, and then how to get rid of them. But you still use the miracle method. So you cannot learn level 2 without learning level 1, because you need miracle method in level 2 as well. Next question, if there's any.
Ma'am, Dhanashri here.
Yes, Dhanashri.
Hi, Dhanashri.
Yeah, hi. So basically, I wanted to ask that in this method, through this method, can we also heal the repetitive patterns and the ancestral healing, basically?
Yes.
So a lot of people nowadays, everything is zero down to the Pitru dosh, that's what it happens. So I wanted to ask, like, I'm a Reiki healer and I also work, but then many times I get clients, they say no, but they are very convinced themselves that everything is happening due to Pitru dosh.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
that's what the
So
question
this
is.
is a very powerful method where you can work on actually Because the way our method works is whatever the client feels or whatever the client is going through, that's what you clear. He might have a back pain and he might have that firm belief, my back pain is because my ancestor didn't do this, or my ancestor did this. So when you clear that belief, actually everything changes in his life. Even if it's true or not, even whether you think it's true or not, we work with the client is the God that is come in front of you, and whatever the God says, you do it. And this is the method that gives you to do whatever the client wants.
And we do have a chart of ancestral.
We also have a chart of ancestral beliefs. So in the first level, you will get a chart, because even we find that's quite important as well. So you get a chart as well that kind of gives you some notification of what's coming from ancestors, like financial loss or poverty consciousness or fear of failure, all of these things, or, you know. And then obviously level 1 and level 2, with level 2, then you can do it even further, take out ancestral curses and contracts and patterns. So that's with level 2. So you can do so much more, just to give you an idea of what you can do.
Perfect. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Most welcome.
So I have a question. My name is Neha.
Hi, Neha.
Hi. Just wanted to know how, physically tiring would it be for us as healers to do while we are doing the healing? Is it tiring, or is it what I mean is like a monotonous thing? Like, sometimes we've learned healings that, healing methods that, after doing a few times or a few sessions, I feel like, okay, I can't do this anymore,
No, my dear, we are giving you a pendulum, not a dumbbell. So it's not tiring.
Okay, all right.
So, like, it just depends on a person. Sometimes a person, like, for example, like this question that you asked, Charu is very much chart oriented. So she loves her charts. I like to dabble with a lot. So because I've learned a lot, I will use a combination of methods along with the medical method. So that just appeases my soul. What I found is, I found that the miracle method is the most profound method, not because I'm actually developing this method, but I have found that when you are stuck in the stickiest and most worst cases, or most, that time of the moment where you really need change, I can say statements, I can say prayers, I can say anything, but the miracle method is the one method that will change it like that. And that is what I found. I mean, I can go everywhere and not do it, but in that time of need, like literally in that time of need, and there are many times when I've been in that time of need, then this is the method that will give you that what you need.
Okay, thank you.
You're most welcome.
Hi, ma'am. Dr. Vinder this side again.
Hello, doctor.
Hi. I just have one more question again.
Okay.
You said that in one session the pain goes off, right?
Okay.
In most of the cases.
Yeah.
But then
No,
how...
goes off, I would correct it. In one session, the pain shifts for sure. Because
okay.
if it is
So
like
it reduces.
Very chronic pain, then it might need a little bit more hammering. But for sure, in one session, the pain shifts. Yes.
And then how fast do we expect it to come back?
No, it's not like, we are not doing like, a painkiller effect that it's like, gone down. We are, so that's what I was explaining in the beginning. So life has to be in the flow. So wherever the pain is, suppose my hand is hurting. So that means there is a stuck emotion here.
Yes.
With miracle method, we are removing that emotion. And that's where there is a flow of energy. And that's where wherever we have done the demo, they have felt that the pain is less. And if we work more, so it's like emptying a drain, a pipe which is blocked, you're emptying that. And the more you empty, the more the water flows. So
I totally understand this.
The pain will not come
back. I totally understand this. But the thing is that even we work with emotions. I am a homeopathic physician. Dr. Shalini and I, we work with homeopathic and we do similar emotional healings.
Yeah.
The thing is that most of the people get the same emotion back. So does this takes away that pull of that emotion from them?
Yes,
That is my
it
question,
takes away the
basically.
emotion. So in order,
Okay.
not that it's like again asking a doctor that, hey, can you guarantee that I will not have this cough and cold again in my life? Nobody
हाँ नहीं
can
वो
guarantee
वापस तो आ
that.
ही जाता है कभी ना
But
कभी हाँ.
what I wanted to tell you, it will take a lot of hard work for them. So if your client is very negative in their approach, but still
हाँ.
a lot of hard work for at least like an year or two of everyday negative thinking to recreate something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. So shall we?
Shall we do a